Hello guys, now we are going to start with MongooseOS. This is an introduction video. So we are on mongoose-os.com. So what is MongooseOS? MongooseOS is an IoT firmware development framework that supports ESP32 and ESP8266 and a couple of other boards. So the features are over-the-air updates in the remote management, security, turnkey solutions, AWS IoT, Google IoT Codes, Microsoft Azure, Samsung Arctic, Adafruit, and other things. And it is under Apache license version 2, and it prototypes on AMJS JavaScript engine and products on C++. So what we need to start, we go to downloads and we choose our platform. If you're in Windows, you just download MOS and then you run it from your command line. And if you're on macOS Linux, you do these instructions, or you go to quick start guide that is here. And it is pretty nice documentation here. So actually, if you're on Ubuntu Linux, you can download it with apt repository and these instructions. And if you are on Arch Linux like me, you can download these packages from our. So now let's try MongooseOS. I have it already installed, and you will just install it and nothing hard. After you have installed, we can open our MOS web interface, so MOS UI or just MOS. First, what we need is to select a device. Let's select it. But I don't have anything here, and here we have a demo.js firmware, and let's flash it now. So what we need is to first we need to rebuild app firmware. Now I'm on demo.js, as you can see, rebuild app firmware, and I'm uploading sources. And choose port ESP266. While it's uploading, I want to show you where all apps are stored. They're stored in github.com MongooseOS apps. And actually, they're stored on example apps here, and you'll go just to GitHub link. Now, it is building, our sources are building. And now we can flash it to device. It is not very good because it flashed for ESP32. But if you want to correctly do this exercise, you will need to stop MOS firmware. Here you'll need to stop UI, and now where CLI comes. Yep. So you copy this link, you go to your terminal. So what we need now is, we have it here, so let's close it now. We come here, and what we are going to do is to build firmware for this device. ESP8266 module is here. So now let's first git clone our app. Here it is. I just cloned it to demo.js. We are going to cd into demo.js. We see it here. So now let's do MOS build. It is common to build our firmware. So next, what we're going to do is to say what architecture we have, not to flash another firmware, like different firmware in the direct board. It will be done with ---- arch, and then we write ESP8266 if you have an ESP8266 module. It connects to mongoose.cloud. Let's go to mongoose.cloud. And this is a builder. Actually, in a few lessons, I'll show you how to build your firmware locally, but it will be in few lessons. So, firmware safe to build with the zip. Let's build it. See, so here's the FW zip. So now I'm going to flash the firmware with command MOS flash, and you see it blinks, and the screen says that it flashes ESP8266X. So now it flashes. And now actually we can open UI, and this will be easier. So MOS UI. So we now choose the device, select platform, demo.js, it finds the app, and we can configure Wi-Fi, but I won't do this now. So here, all device files we can see, and change everything here and save and reboot. Actually, you don't need to build firmware if you just want to change an init.js file. So now let's return to CLI. It is just an demo app. So let's try to let's make it our own and different. Not to let's try to blink this like in different time, different period. So now let's do vim fs init.js. We go here. In next video, I'll show you some ways to use another IDE, not even MOS UI, and not even just a Vim or Nano. I'll show you a very good way and very good IDE. So now let's change it to, let's delete this comment and change this to, for example, 250. Or like half a second. So now let's do this. We get out, and so now we need to do MOS put, not rebuild all firmware. Let's put MOS put fs/init.js. Now we need to reboot our device. Let's press the reset button here. So now you see it blinks faster. And let's open serial console on MOS console. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. This part of our firmware. And now let's press and flash button. This publishes an MQTT topic. Now let's go out of this console. So this was a demo. This was an introduction lesson in MongooseOS using ESP8266 module and demo firmware demo.js.